show you my ugly lady drawings. Here's the first one. Well, this is the first one. This is the second one. This is the second one. This one's the third one. This one's the fourth one. This one's the fifth one. This one's the sixth one. This one's the seventh one. This one's the eighth one. This one's the ninth one. This is the 10th one. This is the 11th one. This is the 12th one. This is the 13th one. This is the 14th one. This is the 15th one. This one's the 16th one. This one's the 17th one. Hope you liked my video. And yes, these people are beautiful.